Many of you facing problem on getting Google Career Certificate for Android development. Hello friends, this is Akshay and welcomes you all on this channel of CareerEd. In all Google Career Certificates, Android Developer Certification is very important and very special because for this you need not to pay anything. You doesn't need any financial application on Coursera because this is on the platform of Google and there is not any other platform related to this. So anyone can get this certification for free without doing anything. So let's get started. For this you only need a Google account, and also this is a 6-month certification. You need to spend your 6 months and in a week you need to spend 10 hours. This is an online course and you all can get this certification without doing anything because there is no eligibility criteria for this. Anyone, you are beginner or you are industry expert or you are a fresher in job, you can apply for this and you can start learning. Here you can see there is an option of get started, and as you tap on this you can start learning from here. Here you can see Android basics in Kotlin. Mainly Android development certification is basically based on Kotlin language, not on Java, because you know Kotlin is a new language used by many developers for development of Android applications. So here you can see total 4 units are there, which is divided into subunits and many other things. So you can see there are datas and there are related articles by Google which is shown here, and also how you can complete this, how you can get certification, which you can see on here mentioned. If you are black developer from US, you can apply for this form also, from where you can get a coupon, a discounted price on Google certifications of Android. You can see there are many certifications exam which are paid from Google. You find a discounted price there, and here you can see some more frequently asked questions. You can also visit this. So here there is a important question: are there costs associated with the certification and training? There is no cost. It is a totally free. You can access anything here. But if you want an associate Android developer certification exam, and if you want to give this, then you need total $150. So now I am going to start this certification. This certification is free. So here you can see when you tap on get started, you find this tab where it is written Android basics in Kotlin. Now when you go to beneath, firstly you can read here all the things. Total units 1 to 3 available here. You can see here the first is Android Kotlin basics for Android, second is layouts, and third is navigation. There are many badges shown here. When you complete the subunits, you got this type of badges. Now I am going with the unit 1. You can see here Kotlin basics for Android is the unit 1, and what is in this you can see here there are total 4 subunits are there: Android basics, introduction to Kotlin, and many other. All are related to Android basics, and here you got to learn about the Kotlin from the basics. Here you find some videos from Android developer in Google which are placed in Google, and they train here, and also some quizzes and different type of activities are there. Also you find a platform where you can code in Kotlin here online. So here you can see the video. These videos are also available on YouTube for free. You can learn from that also. But if you want certification, so here you need to complete that. Firstly watch that video. After that go through the quizzes and answer that quizzes, and if you pass that quiz you earn badges. And after earning badges, when you complete this unit, when you complete all the units, you got Android developer certification from Google. So this is whole about the Android developer certification. If you have more doubts, please comment.